Hi guys, so today I'll be unboxing Enhypen's fan meeting goods. I think that's what it's called. It's been too long, so I don't even remember what it's called. I have not watched any unboxings of these merch, so we're gonna be surprised. I vaguely remember what they look like based on the, the preview from when you buy on Weaver's shop. But other than that, I really don't know what we're gonna be getting today, but let's just quickly open this box up because it is super drenched at the edges because DHL decides to not put a bag over my box when it's freaking pouring outside. But that's fine. That's another story to be told. Okay, I'm slightly confused right now because I remember ordering more than just the box sets. Oh, it's in here. Okay, because I was about to have a meltdown because this is not the first time that Weavers had screwed up my order. So, okay, as long as the rest of my stuff is in, I'm all good. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this box. This is the trading card set. Hopefully there are no duplicates in there. This box is okay. And this, I guess, is where you can store your cards in for display if you'd like. I'm not going to open this up just because I have nowhere to store them right now. And these cards are just going to be in my photo card binder. So that's that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes in a pack like this. Hopefully there are not duplicates because like, why would you have duplicate in a set, you know? But who knows? We might be wrong. Oh, what is this? Why is this white compared to the rest? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sets. And then this random thing. So let me see what this one is all about first. Let's see. Oh, it's taped. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Okay. I don't know why that packaging is different from the rest though. Very confused. Okay, well, we'll find out sooner or later. First one, we have my bias, Jungwon. Look at him. Super, super cute. Love his outfit as well. This is the back with his message. We have a Heesung. Super adorable. Look at him. The back. Okay, confess that I was not planning on getting these merch just because, I don't know, I collect any more photo cards from Enhypen. But I saw, I saw the previews on the site and the photo cards just look really, really cute. So I was like, okay, I might as well. So here we have Jay, our bias wrecker. Back. But yeah, I'm glad I got these because these photo cards are really, really cute. We have Jake. Sunghoon. Oh, so cute. Looks so precious. And then Zenu. Oh my gosh, everyone looks so good. Nikki. Oh, adorable. Okay, so okay, I don't know why this packaging is different from the rest, but I'm pretty sure it's the same concept all around, right? So our next pack. Okay, different from our first one. We have Jungwon. Oh, I guess the texture is different because this is like a thicker card and has a message on the back, whereas this one is thinner. It's like a regular photo thingy with just Enhypen En Connect in the back. So yeah, it is different. We have Heesung. We have Jay. And what? Oh, guys. I think. Okay, hold on. Let me not get too excited here. We have We have Jay. And then for our Polaroid, I think each set has a special Polaroid. And then for this one, we have Jake. Oh, he looks so cute. Yeah, and the back is very pretty too. It's hollow. Okay, we have Sunghoon. These photos are like so flimsy. They're not the typical photo cards. It's just like a regular live photo, if you know what I mean. Sunyu, super cute. And Nikki. And oh, we have a unit too. Okay, cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, so that's the second set. Or no, first set, because this is different from the message card. It's our second set. Yes, different. I had to do a double take just because you never know. I'm hoping we'll pull Jungwon for the special Polaroid. Or Jay. But with my luck, it usually never happens. So, yeah. Oh, so cute. Looks so young here. Jay. Jake. Oh, we have Sunghoon for the special Polaroid. Adorable. Oh, so cute. So new. And then Nikki. And then our unit this time is Sunyu, Heesung, and Sunghoon. Okay, our third set. We have Jungwon again. Heesung. Why do I feel like we pulled this card already? Am I tripping? I don't know. We'll check later at the end. Jake. Sunghoon. Oh my gosh, this Polaroid. Oh my god, this is super, super cute. Oh wow. This is really, really cute. And then a Nikki. And then the unit. Oh, they're so cute. So adorable. He looks so baby here. Okay, I think it's fourth set. We have Jungwon. Yeah, it looks like we are not going to pull his Polaroid. Very sad. That's fine. We still have a bunch more of these. So hopefully, maybe one of them will come through. Heesung. Oh, cute. We hardly ever see him smiling with his teeth, so this is new. Jake. Sunghoon. Yeah, I feel like we have this. I don't know. Could totally be wrong. Sunyu with his pout. Oh, cute. And then Nikki. Aww. How cute. That's so cute. And then the unit. Our fifth set, I believe. Oh. Yes, we have Jungwon Polaroid. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, adorable. How cute. We have Heesung. Jay. Jake. Wow, gorgeous. Sunghoon. Wow, looks beautiful. Sunyu. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a full take of what our polls are because these pictures are starting to look similar, which is not good because it's a set, so it's supposed to be no overlaps. unit. Okay, I forget what number we're on, but whatever set this is. I'm pretty sure this is a dupe. Wait. We definitely have seen this card. I know that for a fact. So, questionable. Okay, well maybe this is not a dupe set because this is different. We haven't pulled Enhypen for our special Polaroid yet, so. Okay. J. Oops, I'm gonna put this here. Jake. Sunghoon. Sunu. Yeah, we definitely have seen this too. Oh, how frustrating. It's not supposed to repeat. Ugh. Okay, moving along. Hopefully we don't get any more dupes because that's annoying. Okay, I think it's different. I'm pretty sure it's different. Hopefully it's different. Yeah, it's different. We have Jay. Oh, cute. Super cute. Jake. Sunghoon. Sunu. Nikki. Then the unit. Pretty sure this unit's a repeat too. What the heck, B-Lift? Like, are you kidding me? How annoying. Okay, we have 3 more sets to go. Please, let's not give us dupes. 1. Enhypen. Yeah, we definitely have pulled this before. Jake. I think we pulled a different Jake's Polaroid. I think. Again, we'll have to figure it out at the end. Yeah, we've pulled this before. This one I'm not sure of, but into last set. Oops. Oh no. Oh, how annoying. I ripped it. Great. Just great. Yeah, these photos are so flimsy. Not what I was expecting at all. Jay. Beautiful. Jake. Sunghoon. Yeah, this is we pulled Sunghoon's Polaroid, right? Yeah, I don't think it looks like this. So this one we pulled. Nikki. And why do I keep seeing this unit photo card? I don't know. Our last sets. Okay, this is different. I remember seeing Jungwon with the book, so yay. Enhypen. Jay. Wow. Sunu. Again, I don't know if this is different or not. They're all starting to look the exact same. And the unit. Okay, so I just did the assortment, and we do have quite a few duplicates. Not all sets are the exact same. That's why I was confused on why certain cards look similar, because they are. But however, we did pull all the members' special Polaroid. The one that recurred the most for special Polaroid was Sunu and Jake. We pulled 2 of them, whereas the other members we only have 1 Polaroid. So yes, once I have figured out the rest of what the card should look like. The duplicates will be up for a trade. Okay, we're gonna move on to this postcard set. This is in this mint green packaging. Okay. Alrighty, so Gen 1. Heesung. J. Jake. Sunghoon. Sunu. Nikki. Yep. So that's the postcard set. This right here looks like it is the ticket. Looks like this envelope. Okay. So this is what the ticket looks like. Yeah, this is more of what I had expected for the photo card in this thicker material. But that's fine. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so that is it for our unboxing of Enhypen's fan meeting goods today. I hope you guys did enjoy watching. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye!